How to extract audio from video with Audacity. FFmpeg is a useful library that allows Audacity to handle extensions like M4A or MP4. To install the library, go to Edit Preferences. Here from the Library section, click on Download button. Click on Installing FFmpeg link. Scroll down, choose your operating system, and click on Download link. Here select 32-bit or 64-bit based on your operating system. I use 64-bit. After the download is finished, run the exe file and click on Next and Install buttons to install it. Now in Audacity, click on Locate button, and it should automatically find the library. If it didn't find it, navigate to the location where you installed the library and choose this DLL file. Then click OK. Here I have 5 videos. To extract audio from a video, just drag the video into Audacity. Now we have the audio, just go to File, Export Audio. Set a name, location, and format, change audio options based on your needs, and click Export. Now we have this audio, but let's say I want to extract audio from all of my videos at once using a macro. First, delete this track and go to Edit, Preferences. In the directory settings, click on Browse button next to Macro Output. Navigate to the location you want to save the files and click on Select Folder. Now from Tools menu, click on Macro Manager. Click on New button and enter a name for the macro. Select the new macro and click on Insert button. Click on any of the commands and press T, which is the first letter of export command. Add export as wave command. Now save this macro. Select your macro, then click on Files button. Navigate to the location where your videos are stored and choose them. Now close this window. And now all the audio in these video files are extracted and stored in the macro output location. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.